make $600 by just typing names. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about a brand new method through which you guys can earn $60 per page. So if you guys were to write 10 pages, you will make $600. If you guys were to write 100 pages, you will make $6,000, and it just keeps on increasing more and more. So that is how easy it is for you guys to actually start making money with this method. This method works worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you live. You guys can live anywhere in the world, and this method is gonna work for you regardless of your location. And also your age is not going to be a factor for this method, because it doesn't matter how old you are as well. All that you guys need to do is simply follow this video, and you guys also don't need any fancy equipment whatsoever for this method to work. All that you guys need is just your smartphone or a laptop or a computer, and that is pretty much it. But guys, before we move any further, I want to give you guys a small disclaimer that the following video is going to be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, well then honestly this method might not work for you. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and not skip anything. And without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into step number 1. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you guys to come on to transcribeme.com. So as soon as you guys come on to transcribeme.com, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. Now from over here, you guys can basically join the Transcribe Me professional crowd, and you guys can start working on projects and making money. So when you guys have become a Transcribe Me crowd professional, you will have access to the following things. You guys will have the industry's best rates, with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour, and the top monthly earnings are going to be at $2,200, and the average monthly earnings are $250. They also give you advancement opportunities for their special teams that include medical and specialty styles. Now over here, you guys can also see that you will be able to grow and learn as well, because they believe in promotion from within. Their transcriptionists enjoy their work, and they have career advancement opportunities as well. They will also give you expert training just so that you guys are the best in your fields. You will also have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world, and of course you guys will enjoy the best rates in the industry. So to get started, click on get started. And then from over here, this is what you guys are going to be seeing. You guys will have the option to, of course, sign up from over here by simply putting in your first name, last name, email, password, and then after that, just simply clicking on create profile. And then from over here, you guys can basically see all the different information present over here. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to get started with Transcribe Me. Now these websites require you to have a very fast typing speed, because if you guys don't have a fast typing speed, well then honestly this method is not going to work for you as well. So to increase your typing speed, come on to retatype.com, and then after that, just simply sign in. Now once you guys sign in, retatype.com is gonna basically give you a typing tutor that you guys can use to get started. So over here it's telling you to put your fingers on the ASDF keys, and you guys can simply click on start typing to get started. You also have the option to do a typing test as well. And then over here you guys can basically see the speed that is required to get certain certificates. If you want to get the platinum certificate, you need to have a speed of 70 words per minute and an accuracy of 99.5 words per minute. Now up top, simply click on take a typing test for free, and then after that click on start typing now. Now once you guys click on start typing now, it's going to give you the option to, of course, just simply start practicing from over here. So now from over here, I will just simply type in a few lines, and then after that I will just simply type in a few other letters as well. So now from over here, I will just simply type this stuff in, and then after that I will just simply do this over here as well. So once I type this in, of course you have to type in many different words over here, and then once you guys type these words in successfully, after that your typing test is going to be completed, and you will be given a certain certificate depending upon how high your accuracy was and how fast your speed was. And once you guys know exactly how fast your speed is, then of course you guys can get started. Now another website that you guys can use to, of course, get started with this method is called gotranscript.com. So guys, gotranscript.com is another transcription website, and over here of course you guys will have to type in names, and you guys will also have to type in many other things as well. So over here they basically pay competitive rates for their online transcription jobs, and you guys can earn up to $0.6 per audio or video minute, and their average monthly earnings are going to be $150. Their top monthly earnings are at $1,215, and over here you guys can basically see all of the different benefits that you guys are going to be getting. So you will have the option to do transcription jobs from home, get paid reliably, work flexible hours, choose your own projects, and also enjoy a variety of work. Now over here you guys can also see the job languages that they have available, and you guys can of course get started easily right away by simply clicking on apply now. And that is pretty much it. So guys, that is how you can get started with Go Transcript. And of course, Go Transcript is an amazing platform if you are someone who is just starting out in the world of transcription. Then of course you guys have the OG of transcription websites, which is rev.com. So guys, rev.com is the platform when it comes to making money via transcription. Now the reason I have Rev at the very end is because Rev is not available in many countries, and hence why I put Rev at the very end of the list. But Rev pays really good money, and over here you guys can basically see that they have a community of over 70,000 freelancers, and they get paid to caption, transcribe, and subtitle content. You can work from anywhere, and you can choose the jobs that interest you. They believe everyone deserves an opportunity to support themselves, even if their schedule doesn't allow for a 9 to 5 routine. So simply click on become a freelancer from over here, and over here on the left side you guys have all the benefits, such as creating a flexible work schedule, choosing from hundreds of jobs, and then also getting paid weekly. Now over here you guys can also see that as a transcriptionist you guys are going to be paid 0.3 to upwards of up to $1.1 per audio/video minute. You can listen to audio and video, and then after that just simply accurately type what is being said. You can also watch a video and then also type accurately what is being said as a captioner, and the pay range just starts from 0.5 and goes upwards of up to $1.1 per audio/video minute transcribed. So like both of these options are absolutely amazing. And if you are someone who knows a foreign language such as Spanish, French, or some other language, perhaps Russian, well then of course you guys can make more money with that. But because you're going to be paid $1.5 to $3 per audio/video minute that you guys transcribe. Now over here you guys can basically see all the different testimonials that are present over here. So we have Chris telling us a fun variety of work that means you're never quite sure what you're going to be transcribing next, and all in all it's just really fun. Rev provides great freedom to choose what you want to transcribe and for how long, and weekly pay is really important too, because unlike other websites which pay monthly or bi-weekly, Rev pays their freelancers every single week, which means that you are going to be getting money every single week, and hence why you will be able to just simply cash in on that money as soon as you guys have earned it. And they have also been featured on Forbes, the Huffington Post, Business Insider, the Penny Hoarder, and also many other websites as well. And you guys can simply of course click on sign up to be a Rev freelancer, and you guys will have signed up successfully. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to get started with this particular method, and honestly it doesn't require much time. All that you guys need to do is simply follow this video step by step till the very end, and watch it again and again if you guys fail to understand anything. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.